Welcome back to AWS with a beer and to the fourth and final video in this series of diving into the exam guide for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner to ensure you know exactly what it is you need to study. If you missed the first three videos covering Domain 1, Cloud Concepts, and Domain 2, Security and Compliance, and then Domain 3, AWS Technology Overview, then you can find the links to them in the pinned comment of this video. Now in this video, I'll be uncovering the exam guide of Domain 4, Billing and Pricing Strategies, so you know what you need to study. Before we dive in, please click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on AWS content to help you through your learning and certification journey. Cheers. So to excel in this first task statement of the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam, students must have a thorough understanding of AWS pricing models, focusing on compute purchasing options, data transfer charges, and storage options and tiers. This includes knowing the various compute purchasing options available, such as on-demand instances, reserved instances, spot instances, saving plans, dedicated hosts, dedicated instances, and capacity reservations. You need to grasp when to use each option based on workload requirements, cost considerations, and usage patterns, as well as the flexibility in behavior of reserved instances within AWS organizations. Now, understanding data transfer charges is also crucial. You must know the cost implications of data transfers within AWS, including incoming data transfer costs, which are generally free, and outgoing data transfer costs, which vary depending on whether the data is transferred between regions, within the same region, or to the internet. This knowledge helps in designing cost-effective architectures and optimizing data movement strategies. Now, in terms of storage options, you should be familiar with the different AWS storage services and their pricing models. This includes Amazon S3's storage classes such as Standard, Intelligent Tiering, Standard IA, Glacier, and Glacier Deep Archive, as well as the Elastic Block Store and Elastic File System. You need to understand the costs associated with each storage tier and select the most cost-effective solution based on data access patterns and lifecycle. Now, overall, you should develop the skills to identify and compare various compute purchasing options, describe the flexibility and behavior of reserved instances, understand data transfer costs, and evaluate storage pricing. This comprehensive understanding of AWS pricing models will enable you to make informed decisions and optimize costs effectively, which is essential for achieving the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Now, for this next task statement, you need to have a thorough understanding of the various resources and tools available for managing AWS billing, budgeting, and costs. This involves comprehensive understanding and knowledge of billing support and information, AWS service pricing, AWS organizations, and cost allocation tags, which are critical for effective financial management within the AWS environment. First, you should be adept at accessing and interpreting AWS billing information, ensuring that you can navigate the billing and cost management console to view and analyze cost and usage data. Understanding up-to-date pricing details for different AWS services is crucial as well, as it helps in making informed decisions about resource utilization and cost optimization. A solid grasp of AWS organizations is essential for managing multiple AWS accounts through consolidated billing. Now, consolidated billing simplifies the payment process by combining charges across multiple accounts into a single invoice, which can lead to cost savings through aggregated usage discounts. This feature is particularly beneficial for enterprises that operate several AWS accounts, as it provides a unified view of all expensive and usage patterns. Additionally, you must understand cost allocation tags and their application. Now, these tags enable users to categorize and track expenses effectively, allowing for detailed billing reports and more granular financial analysis. The ability to create and manage cost allocation tags is vital for businesses that need to allocate costs to different departments, projects, or business units, ensuring accurate tracking and reporting of AWS expenditures. Proficiency in using AWS tools for budgeting and cost management is another critical area. You need to know how to create and manage budgets with the service AWS Budgets, which allows you to set custom cost and usage budgets and receive alerts when thresholds are exceeded. AWS Cost Explorer is an essential tool for visualizing and analyzing cost data, providing insights into spending patterns and identifying cost-saving opportunities. Additionally, organizing billing information with AWS Billing Conductor can help streamline billing processes and improve financial reporting. The AWS Pricing Calculator is another indispensable tool that you should master. It helps estimate the cost of AWS services based on usage patterns, enabling accurate budgeting and cost planning. Understanding how to use this calculator ensures that users can predict and manage expenses effectively, avoiding unexpected costs and optimizing resource allocation. For this final task statement, you need a thorough understanding of the various AWS technical resources and support options. This includes knowing how to locate and use resources like AWS white papers, blogs, and official documentation to gain insights into best practices, service details, and architectural patterns. Additionally, you should be familiar with specific technical resources such as AWS Prescriptive Guidance, AWS Knowledge Center, and AWS Repost, which provide expert advice and community support. Understanding AWS support plans is crucial. You should know the different support levels that are available, including customer service and communities, AWS developer support, AWS business support, and the more comprehensive enterprise on-ramp and enterprise support. Each plan offers varying levels of assistance and services, tailored to meet the needs of different customer segments, from individual developers to large enterprises with complex requirements. Familiarity with the AWS Partner Network is also essential. You need to recognize the roles of independent software vendors and system integrators in helping customers design, build, and manage AWS environments. You should understand the benefits of being an AWS partner, such as training, certification, events, and volume discounts. Additionally, knowledge of the AWS marketplace and its services, including cost management and governance, is important. Now, you must also be proficient in using tools for managing and monitoring AWS environments, such as AWS Trusted Advisor, the AWS Health Dashboard, and the AWS Health API, which help optimize costs and ensure operational health. Understanding the role of the AWS Trust and Safety team in reporting and addressing abuse of AWS resources is also recommended. Now, finally, you should be aware of the technical assistant options available, including AWS Professional Services and AWS Solutions Architects, who assist in planning and implementing AWS solutions. This comprehensive knowledge will enable you to effectively leverage AWS resources and support, which is a key aspect of achieving the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Thanks for sticking with me through all 4 videos in this AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam Guide series. By now, you should have a solid grasp of the different domains that you need to know and study. I'm excited to hear about your progress and any insights you've gained. If you've got a specific AWS exam guide you'd like me to tackle next, drop me a comment below. Also, feel free to ask any questions. I'm here to help. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your exam experience with me. Best of luck on your exam journey, and cheers to your success.